Hi, Buddy Prowse here with Cuda brand at ICAST 2018. One of the exciting new products that we're launching this year is an addition in our tool line to the Professional series. We now have our brand new Professional micarta handled tool utilizing a titanium alloy tip. These tips are replaceable. All of our products have a 100% guarantee lifetime, and these tungsten carbide cutters that are on this side are replaceable, as well as I mentioned the titanium alloy tips. These are cold forged micarta handles, and we improved the strap this year. Now we're using for the leash a braided steel leash with a snap and a very heavy duty Kydex sheath. Available at TackleDirect.